Hi, and welcome back to our Tech Tutorial series on Amazon EC2 Mac. My name is Scott Malky, and I'm a Specialist Solutions Architect with Amazon EC2. Today, we'll be advancing our skills using Amazon EC2 Mac instances by learning how to set up a Jenkins worker node, including integration with Kubernetes. Amazon EC2 Mac instances can be set up to leverage build tools such as Jenkins. Jenkins is an open-source automation platform that enables automation of key parts of a CI/CD process. Let's get started setting up Jenkins for EC2 Mac instances. We'll be using Kubernetes, specifically our Amazon Elastic Kubernetes service, to provision a fault-tolerance Jenkins leader leveraging persistent volumes on Amazon EBS. We'll also be creating a secure Amazon Simple Storage service, Amazon S3 bucket, for build artifacts that follows a least privileged security model using Amazon EC2 instance profiles. Typically, building out a robust environment as described would take a long period of time. However, we'll set up everything quickly using the AWS Cloud Development Kit, or AWS CDK. The AWS CDK is a powerful infrastructure as code framework that allows us to create cloud application resources using familiar programming languages. Please note that this is an example and should only be used as a guide to develop your own production deployment. On this machine, I've installed the AWS CLI and the AWS CDK. I've also installed kubectl to work with the Amazon EKS cluster. First, let's clone the GitHub repo for this project. Next, let's allocate the Mac1 dedicated host to use as the Jenkins worker. We'll now create an SSH key in the AWS Management Console and save the private key to our local machine, naming it something simple like Jenkins Key. This project uses the Jenkins Configuration as Code plugin to automate the Jenkins platform. Once we have the SSH key created, we'll next edit the Jenkins Configuration as Code manifests/Jenkins values YAML file and add the private key under the security config parameter that was generated via the AWS console. This key is then automatically uploaded to the Jenkins leader so it can connect to the macOS worker to perform jobs. We'll use the SSH Build Agent plugin to enable this functionality. Now we are ready to leverage the AWS CDK to launch our build environment. First, we will create the EKS cluster. This process will take about 20 minutes. Don't worry, we'll fast forward here on the video, so please feel free to grab a coffee while it's deploying. Once the deploy completes, we'll repeat this process for our S3 bucket for build artifacts, the Jenkins worker, and the Jenkins leader. You can see the heavy lifting the CDK is doing for us here. Once all the CDK deployment's complete, we can log into our Jenkins environment and confirm we have a running macOS worker. We can now start running Jenkins pipelines and other automated tasks. Thanks for watching.